Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is the part 2 of my MCQ series regarding lecturer and subject specialist test. Now, I will share with you some most important MCQs which will help you in your lecturer and subject specialist test and many other tests. If you are new at this channel, then subscribe Learning Brain and press the bell icon. Now we will start it from our 11th MCQs. Any molecular species having positive charge is called A. Molecular ion, B. Macromolecule, C. Polar ion, D. Joint radical. Its answer is A. Molecular ion. Number 12 is molecular ion are formed in an instrument called potentiometer, thermocycler, mass spectrometer, and galvanometer. And its answer is number C, mass spectrometer. 13. The mass of a molecular ion can be calculated from its A. Z by M ratio, B. M by E ratio, C. E by M ratio, D. M by T ratio. Its answer is B. M by E ratio. Number 14 is the mass of one atom of an element compared with the mass of an atom of carbon taken as 12 is called A. Relative molecular mass, B. Atomic mass, C. Molecular mass, D. Relative atomic mass. Its answer is D. Relative atomic mass. 15. Isotopes of an element are recorded separately in A. Mass spectrometer, B. Spectrophotometer, C. Calorimeter, number D. IR spectrophotometer. Its answer is A. Mass spectrometer. Number 16. Isotopes can be separated by geological method, chemical method, number C. Physical method, D. Ordinary method. Its answer is C. Physical method. 17. The branch of science dealing with matter is called as chemistry, chemical analysis, physics, mechanics. Its answer is chemistry. Number 18 is smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence is known as A. A molecule, B. An ion, C. An atom, D. An electron. Its answer is C. An atom. Number 19. When an electron is added to a unipositive ion, we get A. Cation, B. Molecule, C. Neutral atom, D. Anion. Its answer is C. Neutral atom. Number 20. Carbon monoxide is an example of A. Stable molecule, B. An ionic molecule, ion. Number C. Cationic molecular ion, D. Free radical. Its answer is C. Cationic molecular ion. Number 21. The diameter of atoms is of the order A. 2 multiply 10 raised to power minus 5 meter, B. 2 multiply 10 minus 10 multiply 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, C. 2 multiply 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, D. 2 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Its answer is B. 2 multiply 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Number 22. Sorry. Number 22. Covalent compounds mostly exist in the form of A. Radicals, B. Atoms, C. Entities, D. Molecules. Its answer is D. Molecules. Number 23. Metals tend to lose electrons to become A. Positively charged ions, B. Negative charged negative radical, C. Negatively charged ions, D. All of above. Its answer is A. Positively charged ions. Number 24. Nonmetals generally tend to gain electrons to become A. Positively charged ions, B. Radical, C. Negatively charged ions, D. B and C both. Its answer is D. B and C both. 25. Determination of atomic masses and invention of system of writing symbols was given by A. J. Berzelius, B. Democritus, C. Dalton, D. None of the above. Its answer is A. J. Berzelius. Number 26 is atoms can be evident by the use of electron microscope, field ionization microscope, and number A. X-rays technique, B. Telescope, C. Light microscope, D. Compound microscope. Its answer is A. X-ray technique. Number 27. Formula of heavy water is A. H3O, B. H2O2, C. H2O, and D. D2O. Its answer is D. D2O. Number 28 is isotopes have different. Number A. Chemical properties. Number B. Biochemical properties. C. Physical properties. D. Thermodynamic properties. Its answer is C. Physical properties. Number 29 is isotopes have same position in periodic table because they have different mass. B. They have same atomic mass. C. They have same atomic number. And D. All are true. Its answer is C. They have same atomic number. Number 30. Mass spectrometers separates different positive isotopic ions on the basis of their A. Charge value, B. Mass value, C. M by A value, D. E by M value. Its answer is C. M by E value.